Hello again. So here, okay, this video, let's talk about real estate investment trust, or in short, REIT. Okay, so this is one of the investments that we can do here in stock market in First Metro Securities here. So you might be wondering, what is REIT? Okay, so yes, I've said it is a real estate, and of course you know what is real estate investments, right? But what you think mostly is it's pretty expensive. Yes, it is expensive, but just real estate is very expensive, but REIT is not. It's different. Okay, so you'll be asking why. So anyways, uh, REIT is this is a kind of investment, or this is a kind of a stock corporation. The purpose of this corporation is was that owning income generating real estate assets. So you will be owning an income generating assets, for example, hotels, buildings, what else, airports, residentials, condos, yeah, those kind of things. You will be, it's an income generating, and you will be owning. So that's the purpose of real estate. Okay, so it's pretty expensive if you know, we buy a one condo unit, right? So here's the thing. So we have there like traditional, and we have the modern. So when you think of traditional, yeah, that's the thing that you have thought of buying a one condo unit, a building, or house and lot. That's it. So traditional, this is just a quick preview or quick idea. Okay, it is tangible, of course, because it is your own. You can touch, you can have it. It is flexible real estate type. It's because you can manage it. You can do scheduling because you're renting, and yeah, so that's it. Usable, of course, because you can use that one whenever you want. It is, yeah, this one costly. It is. It needs a huge amount of money to have an investment of that. And possible liquidity issues, yeah, there is, maybe because for example, in condo, you will be selling your unit, so there are some kind of issues that we have to, we have to face, you have to process and everything. So there are kind of issues about that, cannot be broken down. Yes, you have your share, you have other people have shares, so it's pretty hard when you really need the money. It's you really need that to use the money because you are in need or something. So it's pretty hard to, you cannot just, hey, let's just break this one. It's hard to be, cannot be broken down. Yes, that's for sure. But anyways, what about the modern? Yeah, this is it, the REIT. It is modern. Why it is modern? Because you can just purchase online. If you have this kind of brokerage, and you can buy that online. It's liquid. Yes, it's liquid because if you need the money, you want to sell your share, your stocks, that's it. You can sell that one. It's pretty easy. Minimal capital requirement, yes, because as I've mentioned, it doesn't need a lot of money. We'll discuss that one later. Reputable developers, yes, reputable because those are, already, those company those developers, so they are reputable. Intangible, yes, because you cannot touch, because yeah, you just buy that online, you can just the figure there, and if you go out like, oh, I invested in that company, so you're gonna say, hey, that's minor, so it's tangible. Volatile market price, yes, it is being called volatile. It's because the market price, it goes down, it goes up, so it's volatile. But when you say traditional, yeah, oh, this kind of money that I want to, you already set an amount of money that you will be selling your property, and that's it. But here it is. So REIT in the stock market. So before pandemic, it's just one company or developer, REIT. So a real estate developer that is part of the stock market, and that is Ayala Land. Okay, that's before. But now or this year or starting, yeah, last year, sorry, last year, the DMP joined. This is the double dragon. And then just this year, recently, okay, Philinvest, Robinsons, they have their IPO. So they are opening to the public, kind of, was that people can invest already. So that's it. And okay, so if you notice reputable developers, imagine Ayala, the DMP, Philinvest, and Robinsons. These are the, you know, the they're gonna be a biggest, right? Developers in the country. So that's it. So let's take an example here. Ayala Land, okay. So before pandemic, Ayala Land per share was 27 point something, okay, but that's 27 point something, 27, 25, yeah, right? But now, as of today, the PSI, the Philippine stock market closed. What's the price of ARIT? So let's use ARIT. So ARIT is 38 here. I just took a screenshot of today. So this one, okay, this one, ARIT is just 38. So let's just put it here. 38.10. Okay, so that's per share. So 38.10, 38.10 per share. Okay, so how much if you're going to buy this? You need to buy at least 100. That is their minimum. Okay, 100 shares. Right, 100 shares. Now, if you're going to multiply, okay, let's do the calculation. So let's multiply 38.10 times 100 shares. So how much money do you need? So it's 3,810. So for your 3,810, you already have a share in Ayala Land, 100 per shares. Okay, what's the good thing? You already have 100 shares and it's 3,800 peso. Okay. Real estate investment, they are required, okay, they are required to give a dividend. So what is dividend? So that's the money that will be divided of all the minus all of their expenses in the company, and what is being left, it will be divided to all shareholders. Now, for example, you have 100 shares, right? So you will be receiving dividend every quarter. So here you have 100 shares. Let's multiply to, okay. For example, per share is maybe, for example, 50 cents. 50 cents. Because, of course, a lot of investors already in this company. So, for example, just 0.50 cents per share. So, how many shares do you have times 100? Because you have 100 shares. So, you have 50. Okay. So, example, so you have 50 peso. So you have 50 peso every quarter, no, not every quarter, but maybe just January, February, March. So you have this 3 months, right? So every quarter. So for example, first quarter you just joined. Okay, so first quarter you just joined, you have 50 peso of having the 100 shares. Now, try to compare. Putting your money in a bank with 3,800 peso, because that's the amount of money that you bought in the 100 shares of Ayala Land shares, right? So 308,000 peso you put in a bank. After 3 months, how much is the interest? Can you calculate that? But if you put the 3,800 peso in real estate investment, it will gain 50 peso every 3 months, and your 100 shares will not be deducted. So that's intact, right? You still have 100 shares. Every quarter you'll be receiving depends on the market, so it may be 50, 70 or whatever. So if you have more than shares, then you'll be receiving a big amount of share or dividend every quarter. So that's the beauty of investing. Okay, so but anyways, sometimes it will goes up and down, but as I've mentioned, last pandemic when I check the price of Ayala land per share. That was 25 point something, yeah. And imagine just now it becomes 38.10. So if that's the case, so your share already growing, plus you are receiving a dividend every quarter. So what do you think? Is it good or not? Yes, anyway, yeah, you can do this kind of thing. You can invest slowly. If you have extra money, then please do. This is all. Yeah, this is for you. This is for me, for all. Yes. All right. Anyways, if you have questions about this, feel free to write your write in the comment section, Char. You can just send me a message or just comment. Maybe perhaps you have the same question with others. So just to save time. Okay, that's all for now and have a great day.